Start your week strong. Why? Because your attitude today will shape your entire week and your life. Whatever you repeat in your subconscious mind will show up in your physical world. So stop magnifying your worries and doubts. Your mind creates patterns, just like learning to swim or play an instrument. You repeat until it becomes automatic. It works the same way with wealth, health, relationships, and success. Once your subconscious accepts the statement as fact, it works to bring it into your life. That's the power of affirmations. You convince yourself and your deeper mind makes it real. Comment, what are you affirming this week? Remember this, the master key is you.